Good morning and welcome to Options Center. Just want to do a quick market preview here, get us ready for the day. We may have had our turn already in the market, but if not, we might eke out one more high or so. Try to get the, if you look at, we're on the SPX, might get the gap up here or something like that. But for the most part, I think we got it. By the way, if you're new here, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Options Center logo, and subscribe. Thank you, everybody, for joining. We have a negative divergence. When that happens, it shows a little bit of weakness, but it doesn't necessarily show that the market is gonna turn like right away. Sometimes it does, and other times it doesn't. There's times. Let's go from the bear market top. This is the by the way, this is the McClellan oscillator. I like to use this on a pre-market basis just to see the strength of the NYSE of the full stock market. But you notice the peaks here have a little divergence, and then usually it just comes down. You have 3 peaks here, down, but the price didn't really move anywhere during these. One more high, divergent high, down. And then you have something more like this, and then you have a drop, new high, drop, new high. So like 3 peaks and just a real long time of this. But it was kind of confirmed after price got underneath and stayed underneath the 100 area, and especially right when it got to the 0, that showed some real weakness, and then the market started to really roll to the downside. So it just seems to be showing a little bit more strength here, staying up there. And this time as well, okay? But we're down to that point where we reach this 0 line, and so I'm thinking that we already got our turn, but it's quite possible maybe we eke out one more high. But the market's definitely getting weak, and you could tell from the video, I think it was yesterday, or it could have been the weekend. I was talking about Apple and Tesla just propping things up. That's the only thing so big tech is propping up the market right now. You had a few more names yesterday, but the market as a whole is getting weaker. You could see that by the breadth, and that was in the video as well. And I'll pin the breadth the video tutorial up there so you can see that if you'd like. But that's mostly what I want to show. So don't be surprised if we have some real weakness today. Let's go over to the ES, and let's go on the 65-minute. Kind of just see. I don't need the MACD or RSI right now. I just want to show you what's happening here. I took my trend lines off, but we're looking at hitting this bottom, about the 4070 here. We haven't hit either top or bottom yet. But if we have our turn here today, underneath the 4140 should kind of, firm that situation up. If we hold that, then we're probably going to eke out a new high and probably make it to that options expected move. And don't forget, and I'm keeping my eye on this. There's a gap up front. Maybe I don't have it on this chart. I think I have it on the Elliott wave. There's a gap above us. There it is. That I'm sure the market kind of wants to complete before reversal. So we're just keeping our eye on this. I don't know if he'll leave it open. It's been open for a long time, and so eventually it will get closed. But this is the Elliott wave count, still stands. I've had this on for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 completing there, and this would be a 1, 2 setup. Eke out another high, then this is possibly a wave 3 here, but the thing is, this kind of gave me that last clue, and I said this yesterday. We retraced back to 786, by the way. This pullback here overlapped this peak here, and so this being a part of this series, just not so sure. Just getting the thesis that this is going up much higher in this move is just that's kind of weakening there. So anyway, that's my thoughts. I think we got the turnaround, but if we eke up one more high, maybe we get this gap and kind of reverse from there. All right. Thanks for joining us here at Options Tender. We will talk to you later today.